What's up, guys? Damn, I bought this here, but I just sold it end of day. At least I have rigetti. The fuck does this do? Yeah, this isn't even quantum computing. Crazy, man. There's crazy things going on. What is this again? Alright, this is aerospace and defense related. It's kind of thin though. Microcap. I'm not gonna trade it. I'm gonna demote this one. Crazy happenings. I think I'm gonna have to sell some of this on open. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, whatever. It's a shame. I don't have much Ethereum left. I think it's going to play catch up now. Oh, it needs this level. Doge has been pretty underwhelming. It's like 10% move from where I bought it. Man, okay. I have to reduce, man. I have to reduce some things. It's just wild. Dude, did NNA drop an offering? Oh right, I need to get this sale. AI? 34.67 is my average now. I think I sold some and rebought some at some point, but I first started buying it like around the 31 level here on this day. I didn't buy it day one. I bought it day two. And I sold it. Yeah, I sold and rebought on this day. That's right. Oh, yeah, it's a pretty good deal. Did NNA drop an offering, guys? Yeah, 60 million private placement. Okay. Well then. Well, I didn't get the alert till 30. I just had an alert for this level on AI because, why would I be watching it, I guess. But on these kind of names, you always want to have an alert at some major level. But yeah, okay, I have like 4% of my account in NNE. That's not bad. Let's see. I think I'm gonna. Uh, do I cut this pre-market? This is so gross. It's bound to happen at some point, I guess. I think I need to sell some Archer and Joby too. This is like day four, day five. Yeah, I'm gonna need to sell some. This is like, man, I don't even know what to say anymore. This is some crazy shit. All right, I am buying. I'm buying the Trading View thing. Hold on, Black Friday deal. Okay, I'm assuming everyone listened to the. You all listened to the new Hendrick GNX. Shit's so fire. Man, it's been such a good year for hip hop. The JPEG Mafia album. We're getting two Denzel albums. Got the Tyler album. We're getting we just got a Kenny Mason album. Got the Beef. Yeah, listen to GNX. It's a banger. It's full of bangers. Like every track is a banger, man. How am I gonna manage QBTS? I have like 3% of my no 2% of my account in this one. I have like 5% of my account left in QBTS, 5% in Rigetti, 5% in QSI, a little less than 5%, like 4%. I'm gonna sell some on open, I think. This one isn't even quantum, remember. This just has quantum in the name and it's got NVIDIA news. So I took some profits on AI pre-market. That's what I've done so far because it's fairly liquid. And then I want to take profits on I'm going to take profits on Joby and Archer. I don't have much size though, but I'm going to take profits on I might cut NNE depending on how it reacts. The two that I want to hold Rocket Lab as far as I can. DXYZ, I'm gonna try to hold. Um, yeah, there's so many positions, man. This is crazy. Yes, it does. Rocket Lab has, and it also has two launches, dude. Like, yeah, Rocket Lab is actually a bigger market cap than AST Space Mobile now. I didn't realize. This is officially 11 billion market cap company. What a god stock, dude. I'm so glad I'm back in this. Ugh. Yeah, it was up 16% pre-market at one point. I saw what's his name? Balmer Pluto in Kulamagi Discord. He made 80% last month, and then he's up 80% again this month. Banger, dude. That's what I'm saying. It's doable. He made almost 300% in 2 months, and this month isn't even over yet. I didn't read everything he wrote, but it looked like he had some small cap tickers in there, like he was in drug, for example. He outperformed me in October. I'm up 80% this month. I just checked. But last month I was only up like 45%, which is fine. You know, the crazy thing is I would be up even more this month if I didn't get ganked on two China gap downs. Super annoying, but whatever. Yeah, good job, man. I'm telling you, it's not. This is the good times, you know. Make the most of it. Oh, I said I would have done even better this month, but I got ganked on two China gap downs, right? Along with most of you probably. I mean, it's fine. You just take the L's, but like I got fucked here, and I got fucked here at the beginning of the month. Boom, boom. But FXI is at this level again. This just needs time. Just set an alert for like high 30s, right? Set an alert for I would set an alert for high of this week. Yeah. Or high of this week or just around this level. Oh, I didn't beat him. Just look in the general chat. I haven't looked in there in a while and I just peeked in there this morning. Saw that Balmer did 80%. He did 80% in November and 80% in October. I did 80% this month so far, month to date. Anything is possible, guys. Okay, these names I need to keep. These are my largest positions, Carvana and Tesla. And then it's Lunar, and then VST Oklo. Well, I hope none of these drop an offering. Yeah, it's him. Damn, it's crazy. So much volume on this shitco. This is gonna be tradable for me. I can't believe it. Dude, why are we talking about oil names now? You should not be thinking about oil names right now, unless there's like unless Israel fucks shit up again, does something fucking insane. Is the weird colors on the wall of your chart? I don't know what you're talking about. 30-minute chart? Uh, are you new to trading, dude? Do you know what extended hours are? Have you never seen extended hours on a chart before? If not, you got some, I don't know, you might have some work to do on your own before asking another question. Oh, I see. Well, generally speaking, charts, charting platforms show different colors for extended hours. You can customize it too. Yeah, Sava's a piece of shit, dude. I'm not worried about that one. It was just insane, man. I rebought Rigetti on this candle, and I pushed the price up. I remember buying it and seeing the price go up like several cents every time I hit market buy. So annoying. And then it was below my second entry, and I was like kind of pissed, but obviously I'm not pissed anymore. It is a piece of shit. All of the quantum names are pieces of shit. What do you mean, man? All the names are pieces of shit. They're just, it's just going, because no, QBTS is not the leader. I think Qubit is probably. Well, IonQ is the leader, and this is the shitco leader. Yeah, it is, but it is what it is. It's toxic, I get it. It sucks. Anyway, thin piece of shit. VSTE? What is this? Uh, interesting. Concentrated thermal power. Yeah, this doesn't make my scans because of liquidity, but it might now. Oh yeah, it will now. This will show up on my scan immediately, my regular market scan. What was the PR on this? What was the PR here? October 30th? Concentrated solar power. Sounds like a scam. Man, I really can't stop. This fucking Kendrick album is such a banger. God damn. I guess I'll put this in solar, right? What is this? This is it's a micro cap. Yeah, I'm not trading this. I don't think so, at least. Oh, I do have it in clean energy actually already. But interesting. Yeah, I mean, the whole album is fire, man. This is one of the yeah, this is probably my favorite album of this is yet, honestly. It's just super LA, super West Coast, super Compton. All right, man. Everyone's a critic. You listen to the new Kenny Mason though? He just dropped that too. Like well, last week he dropped it. Compton's not that gentrified, is it? How do you know? Do you know? How do you know LA anyway? Don't you live in what are you gonna do with the what am I gonna do with the money? No, I'm not gonna buy a fucking Lambo. That's not Lambo is like a poor man's flex. I'm not trying to do that. Yeah, but let people like what they like. Yeah, that's like paintings are some rich people shit. I'm not really into that. I'm just saving my money. True flex is not working, dude. That's the true flex. Not being forced to labor, sell your body, sell your wage labor under capitalism. What was my account size when I started trading? 200K. I had money from working in tech, so I think it's easier to make 200K working in tech and save that up for like an account to trade in than it is to like try to get from 10K to that if you like. Well, it was easier. Now, so the problem with that strat is that everyone tried to get into the tech boom, like taking these bullshit boot camp things, right? And now no one's hiring those people unless they have like proven experience, I guess. QB, is it a good idea to sell this on open? Yeah, this is a short setup, but I wouldn't short this though. It's just I mean I don't know, man. I'm selling some. Correct, yes. 7 figs. So no, I'm not gonna spend money on a fucking Lamborghini. Jesus. This is so tacky too, man. I might get a I might get something else. I might get like I always wanted like an RS5 or something, but something less loud. Nah, no watches, dude. I don't want to look like a fucking finance bro with a Submariner, dude. Also, I don't like wearing too much money. I have a watch that's like $1,000, I think. It's like a oh, open. Good luck, dude. I'm not gonna spend money on a fucking Patel Patek. That's like you have money to burn, dude. When am I gonna wear that? Okay, never mind. Hold on. Jesus Christ, so many alerts. Okay, I shorted NVIDIA. Let's cover at 142. I'll do 142.50. I don't know if this is a good short, but shorted Soxel too. Probably not the best idea, honestly, but we'll see. Eh. Yeah, but anyway, I'm not gonna get a fucking Patek, dude. I'm never gonna. I don't like go to business meetings and wear suits and shit like that. It's. Well, I'm not gonna wear it going out in LA. I'm just gonna fucking get robbed, dude. Let's be fucking retarded. Dude, even gold chains, I'm not like my jewelry is not that expensive, dude. Cause again, it's like if I get robbed, I just want to be like, all right, just take my shit. It's like like phone, jewelry, everything. It'll be like 1 to 2 grand tops, and then I don't have to worry about it. I'm just like whatever. Wait, flexing hard is a poor man's game. That's what I gotta say. I cut this, whatever. Come on, man. Why is my shit lagging? I'm lagging so hard. I'll click down 4% too. Is Hims going again? Oh, nice. I thought I set an alert. Dude, that's so annoying. Hims is back to near where I sold. Okay, I mean this fucking, we got ganked there. I'll wait to buy it though. I'll wait to buy. I think It's pretty hard to manage all these positions, not gonna lie, dude. Yeah, Aklo keeps rejecting this high 25. Yeah, some more time. It's fine. Do I buy this now? No, I want to get back in this, but the spread is so dog shit, dude. Spread is so dog shit. What are you supposed to do with this? Just ignore it. Oh, really? Interesting. Okay, covering my Soxel. And I'm buying ALAP, baby. ASPI. Do I want to? I only have a little bit. I just have a starter. Do I need to cover NVIDIA? No. No, I can keep this short, right? What's the market cap is 12 million? I can't trade this, guys. What the fuck? Oh, damn. I wish I had more rigetti. Time to reduce some Oklo. Okay. Selling more of this shit. Later. Offering. So, oh, this means I need to sell more Oklo. They're all getting dragged down by this. Whatever. Yeah, nuclear's kind of getting sold off. I'm gonna cut this ASPI starter. I'll sell a little VST too, in case this is getting distributed. Just double my NVIDIA short size. Let's go. Oh, what the fuck? Banks are strong as fuck, man. Damn. No one seems to be selling root. Holy shit. Archer isn't ward though, it's flying taxis, no? They just do flying taxis. Or do they do they do military stuff too? Archer does air taxis. Yeah. I don't know if they do military drones. If they do, it's not on the front of their website. It's just they're doing the New York, the Manhattan shit. Same as Joby. Yeah, there's a lot of profit taking right now, guys. Oh, at least I got a good price on the Nvidia short. Oh my god. Oh, there's no volume on this so far though. Whatever, I'll hold it. What does my routine look like? You're watching it. Just watch my screen. Just watch my streams for my routine. That's all I do. I don't do much on the weekend anymore. What am I wearing right now? A wife beater and sweatpants, dude. From Uniqlo. Both of them are from Uniqlo, I think. Uniqlo's got this sister brand called GU now, though. I'm kind of interested in that. Isn't it cold in LA right now? Well, yeah, I mean, I got the heater on. No, it's especially cold. I live in Venice. It's like fucking, it's the west side LA. It's fucking freezing. Well, for California it is. Gotta buy back some of my Oclo that I think we're chilling. I think I think this short was the right move though. I just need a, this helps me hold the pullback, I think. Now let's, if we bounce hard, I don't want to continue to be short this thing. DXYZ, yeah, okay, we're getting bought. Okay, hopefully buying this was the right move too. But yeah, you're looking at my routine. This is what I do all the time. I just set alerts on things. Why is this alert not setting? What the fuck? Am I out of alerts? I'm not out of alerts. I got some. I just set alerts so I know when things are moving. Things like that. What are the filter settings? So I go through all my performance, like by, daily, weekly, monthly, 3 month, etc. I just have this. There's no average price volume, that's it. So I just do 5 million. So that way I pick up things like, liquid stuff that gets volume because it shows the previous. So the filter before market open. This is previous day volume, dollar volume, which is too low for me. But on market open, it's current day dollar volume. So if something trades 5 million the first 5 minutes, it's gonna be enough for me. But I don't trade anything unless it looks like it's gonna get at least like 30 million, 20 to 30 million dollar volume. I should probably up my liquidity. I have so many positions. Selling volume on Tesla seems pretty high. Is that a fact? Nothing abnormal so far. We'll see. It's a lot of it's not. I just don't think you know, there's no, so no, I don't agree with that. But a lot of the time, there's no point in trying to tell what it is as the price action's happening. A lot of volume price analysis is looking at volume in the past, on daily and weeklies, right? Seeing if the volume matches the move, right? Like, is it, just read the cooling book. That's what I'm saying. I mean, you can find the book for free, I think. Uh, there's more to it than just that. I mean, she goes over like market structure and stuff too. And also like some stage analysis and like Weinstein. Just there's a lot to, but do what you want, right? Maybe you don't like, I'm not saying you guys are asking me what I do. Yeah, you can. It's easy to do that. I mean, I still read PDFs of books because I'm a cheap motherfucker, dude. I wonder if Carvana can go parabolic. That would be a nice touch. Dude, apparently I can be a Twitch affiliate now. I can't be a partner yet, but I can be an affiliate. Should I do it? I'll look into it. I have to, too lazy right now. Well, what does it mean? It just means you guys can sub? Is that all it means? But like, I just make like pennies and cents from that, right? It's not like real money. You have to watch ads? No, I don't want to make people watch ads. $2? Yeah, I don't want to. Yeah, fuck that. Making some merch? Oh my god. Yeah, I'll sell a shirt with Chris Moltisanti's face on it, and or Michael, and I'll get sued by The Sopranos, or HBO. I'll get sued by HBO. I don't know who these people are. I know who Jake Paul is just from the fight. I don't know who Kai Cenat is. The only person I only follow two people on Twitch. I follow Mango, the melee. He likes to play melee. I don't really watch his shit anymore. And I follow Who's Agent, just because I like him. I don't actually watch his content. Oh, I see. 500K. uh, I'm gonna keep this small size on Aqua. Cooler? Yeah, I'm just not gonna trade this. The penny, it's like, oh, it's 149 million market cap, whatever. I just don't want to trade a penny anymore. But this is, yeah, I know I got contract news. I don't feel like trading this, but good luck. It's a, it's a hot sector. Unaliving people, U.S. military, unaliving children. It's very profitable. Uh, when would I consider if a stock is too extended to enter? And no, I don't have the best entry on all. I mean, what is the best entry anyway, right? It's just like Rocket Lab. When I bought it on this day, I bought it like up here. I bought it like in the above 650. I bought it way up here. I didn't buy it here. It doesn't matter though for swings. You just need to get the day right, basically. You can enter day two too, honestly. Just pay attention to the key levels. You want to buy when a stock is, you can buy support on key levels, or if it's crossing a key level. I don't know, man. Like you could have bought Rigetti today because it's sold down to this level, right? It's not that big of a level actually, never mind. But I have it drawn still. I mean, just study what, and then make a like I thought app was too extended here actually, but it clearly wasn't, right? Look at MicroStrategy, right? Like it's not just do the work. You'll see that things that look extended. Like this was a buy here. I didn't buy it because I thought it was too extended. Turns out I'm retarded because it doubled from here, almost doubled from here. But yeah, like I do think things are. Oh, what? Dude, I wasn't paying attention to this. Man, I was long this at $8, dude. God damn it, dude. Oh, fuck me. I didn't have any size, but still. Jesus fucking Christ, man. This is unlimited cope. I bought it like I think like around here, like mid eights. Oh my God. Holy fuck, dude. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. US soldier killed a German civilian last year at a party with a knife and wasn't found guilty last week. But yeah, yeah, very typical. US the military and the cops in America get away with so much shit. Like that's just like, that sucks. That's one example. But that shit happens all the time. Like you hear a lot like in Korea and Japan, like especially Okinawa, you hear cases of like US soldiers raping underage girls, sometimes killing them. Like this is, just look this up, right? And they just get away with that shit. Nothing happens to them. Oh, fuck the US military, dude. Fuck veterans, dude. That's what I like. This is also what I think. Like, unless you served in World War II, you being a veteran means nothing to me, man. Like, what the fuck? Like, oh, you were in the Air Force in Vietnam, so you dropped napalm on children? Like, fuck you. I spit on you for that shit. I went to a Dodgers game and they were like honoring veterans and I didn't stand up and like people were looking at me weird and just like people in this country are just so fucked. They're fucking brainwashed. Yeah, what's Lubin doing actually? Imagine AI does what Lubin does, right? Yeah, impossible. Both companies are like kind of bullshit companies, right? Or they were considered like scams or something. I would have made, I don't even want to think about the money I would have made on this. What is wrong? Why did I cut this shit, dude? Why would I cut this? Dude, I'm seething at this. Like, it's not even, I had, I think I had like almost just like under 3% of my account in this. So it's not like a big deal, right? I would have made like 6% of my account or something, which is nice, but it's more of a matter of catching it that I care about. Good Lord. I sold it like here, one of these candles. Sold it on this candle. Yeah, I sold it on this candle. This candle right here, I sold it. My God. What was my biggest trade ever? Well, like my account's at highs, right? So, in terms of pure money, it's a different than percentage. But I think percentage is the better indicator, right? And yeah, it was GME this year. I think I made like 60% of my account. I made 50 or 60%. No, no, did I? I made like 50%, I think, in like one to 2 days. Yeah, GME this year. That's gotta be it. Yeah, lemonades. My brother. I was talking to my brother because I haven't talked to him about trading in a while. My brother bought this here, and he's in Dave too. Something up with Mara? I don't know what's up with. I mean, it's strong. Yeah, Mara's been. You gotta remember, Mara and Riot were the only liquid miners for a long time, right? So, uh, but then these two ran in 2023, and then they were like leading here because the other ones weren't liquid then. So they might go again. Like Riot is flagging on the weekly. Do you guys see this? Right? Like it's not bad. I'm gonna update my alerts. And I like CLSK too, yeah. You know what? In fact, I'm gonna promote these three. I like these three. Bit dear. I'll just update some alerts. What are these doing? Oh, these names are kind of getting. Yeah, maybe a few more days. I think that I mean, these miners are still gonna need Bitcoin to break 100K, right? And then Bitcoin isn't gonna go right away. It needs a little time. What is your largest position overnight? I had like almost 100% of my account in AMD over the summer. Nothing was going on, but I don't think that was the right move. I'm not gonna do that anymore. I had like 50% of my account in Tesla at one point. And yeah, I taught my brother how to trade, sort of. But yeah, he also read I don't know which books he read. I told him which books to read. I don't know if he read them, but he definitely watched the Christian videos. My family doesn't need that much help, but yes, I have. And CLSK, yeah, yeah. I mean, in general, all of the miners aren't so great. But yeah, Hut looks better. You're right. Hut looks better, and Wolf looks better. These two look better. Correct. Yeah, Kulamagi videos. Yeah, he's definitely watched at least like swing trading school. Well, I mean, yeah, there's this volume on this day. Yeah, weekly volume. No, it's not bad. Anyway, I'm gonna cut the stream, guys.